kami. Lot area siguro nasa 9,000 square meters. House area mga 4,000 square meters. Dream kasi ng father ko is magkaroon ng castle. So, when he could, he built a house na mukhang castle. May living room, ito yung parang dining room, at may antique room din. Yung parents ko ang kumukolekta ng antique. Tinatag nila the year that they bought it, and if they have other knowledge like when it was made, ganon, tinatag nila yan. Yung ibang antiques nakaregister sa National Museum, just in case mawala, hindi siya malalabas ng country. I remember nung bata pa kami, natatandaan ko na yung ibang bricks may nakasulat na para siyang dating tomb or dating pangtakip ng nicho, parang ganun. May chapel. May game room. This house has 4 attics. When we were here, parating may guests dito ng father ko, tapos sa business namin. Tapos yung cook namin parang hotel cook. Every year, parating may celebration dito. Christmas, New Year, birthdays, parating meron. It's palaging active yung bahay. May music, may pipe-in music. You can hear music all day that night. Everything here is the same from 30 years ago. Even the furniture, pareha lahat. Pero ngayon, napapansin ko, especially areas na hindi ginagamit, sobrang bigat ng feeling. I had a cousin who disappeared for 6 hours. Hindi namin mahanap. Entire house was looking for that cousin. And I went behind the sofa. Lumingaw ako sa window to see kung nandun siya. Pero may mga tao na sa labas. Nakikita ko yung tao, hinahanap siya. Tapos nag-decide ako na umupo muna sandali. Pag ikot ko, nandun siya. Past there, wala siya. Tapos biglang nandun siya, umiyak siya. Kasi parang pinaglalaroan daw siya at sinasaktan daw siya ng ugly man with beard.
Kasi ang sabi ni Senyora, kasi maraming mga kababalaghan kaming nararamdaman. Mag-insinso ka, alis. So nag-insinso ako. Yun yung pang 7 araw ko ng insinso.
Siyempre natatakot po ako. Tumatayo na po yung balahibo ko.
Yun yung experience ko na hinabol kami 3 yabang malaki. Parang mabigat na paa.
Nag-CR ako, may pinikturan ako. Pagdating ng kwarto, inupin ko yung image ng cellphone ko. Doon ko na nakita yung picture na kakaiba. Babae mukha tapos mataas ang buhok, saka kamay yung nakita ko. Nakililabutan ako.
One evening, pag-crawl ko sa bed, kasi yung bed is it's dark eh. So I have to make kapa. Pagdating ko sa pillow ko, may nakatayo doon ng daughter ko. I said, "Oh, Lucian, what are you doing here?" And then biglang I heard Lucian with my ex-wife on her side of the bed. So, sabi ko, "Who's that with you?" I asked her, "Who's that with you? Si Lucian ba yan?" Sabi niya, "Oh, bakit?" Sabi ko, "Sino ito?" Sabi ko. And then hawak-hawak ko pa siya. Yung buhok is covering the entire front of the face. So I had to put my hand underneath the hair. And then yan, na-feel ko yung mata, na-feel ko yung ilong, yung finger ko napasok pa sa ilong. Nag-breathe siya. Happened to me, to several visitors who had to use a CR or had to take a shower, na biglang parang may magbo-blow sa ears nila tsaka magsha-shout ng humming sound.
Pumunta ako sa CR. Pagkabuko ko talaga, nakita ko agad yung bata. Tumakbo agad ako sa dad ko. Pagbalik ko, nung tinawag ko na siya, wala na.
Yung maliit na daughter namin matapang eh. She'll get the chair, she'll crash through something we cannot see, screaming, "Get out." And then habulin na ng upuan. Chinese, very dirty brown clothes. Yung boy daw, ginagaya yung mukha ng yung brother niya. Kasi idol daw niya yung brother niya. They live daw in a circle house. And you cannot go to their house unless you're dead. We always have this house blessed. But one evening, one day, this priest came and blinas yung house. He's known to be able to see and he's known to exercise. Lakad lang siya ng lakad, lakad ng lakad. Tapos, pagdating sa antique room, yung vase na yan. Tagal niya doon. Binabless siya. Tagal talaga. Eh, yung pala, he explained later on na sinusundan niya yung dalawang magkapatid na ghost, boy and girl. And then, yung ashes daw nila nasa vase kung saan siya tumagal. Yung description ng pare is exactly the same as the description of my daughters.
Minsan ang katulong dito, naalis kasi pag natatakot na, minsan takot sa bahay. Iba naman, katulong, palipat-lipat. So, naniniwala ako na parami sila ng parami. Usually, madalas sila nagpaparamdam sa mga bago.
Ever since we knew that, kung may magbe-bless dito, pinapabless namin talaga siya. Or minsan yung mother ko mismo mag-wash ng holy water sa antique. Ganun. Kung merong gusto mag-check, okay lang. At least that's a point of view of a layman, not a priest. Di ba? Iba yung expert rin eh. So I'd like to hear them their results.
Gumagamit kami ng systematic method para mapatunayan yon. Kasi it's easy to invent, it's easy to tell a lie, pero kung totoo talaga yung sinasabi mo, you need to show proof.
This is the most secure part of the house. And then the vase is on the table.
From the stories that they were telling us about the place, it sounded like a hotbed for supernatural activity.
Kung meron nangyari, just in case lang, sinasabi ko lang, you don't run, you don't panic, you don't run away screaming. EVP session 1, the dining room area.
Meron kaming mga gamit na nilagay doon sa dalawang silya. If you're here with us, pwede ka man lumapit sa mga yon. Kailangan. Meron. May narinig kayo?
Narinig po ako kanina nagdala.
Sa likod po namin.
Oo, parang naano ko rin eh.
May nakunan po ako.
Na?
Moving object sa ibaba ng silya.
Sensors set off. Okay, we're gonna see if we can pick up something else.
Is there a presence here? A presence not of the living.
Na huli tayo ng isang tinatawag na voice phenomena. An unknown source or unknown or disembodied sound. EVP session 3, we are inside the, correct me if I'm wrong, the game room, right?
Yeah.
Where previously there was a photo taken by the houseboy of a woman.
Pangalan ka ba?
Inside the room.
Ano narinig niyo? May narinig
Parang
ako.
ball rolling. Metal ball rolling.
Are you the one walking upstairs?
I hear his voice. Batman. What the hell was that? Right in front of you is an audio recorder or a voice recorder. If you have something to say to me or to the people who own this house who are trespassing, feel free to say it to that audio recorder. Nahuli natin doon is a mga growling sound. I was engaging them. I was trying to get them to react or get them to respond to me. Nagre-react siya, bali. Na parang I was getting a response.
after the investigation, it's more convincing na meron talagang ghost. I'm hoping to hear some talks, yung spirit talk sa EVP.
Is there a presence here? A presence not of the living.
What was it saying?
What sounds a lot like growling sounds. When I was asking questions, instinctively, it was basically reacting towards what I was asking. I find it very fascinating because that's never happened before.
When I enhance the photo again, yan, you can see now there's sort of something doon sa glass. And if I zoom it up, parang the way I see it is may nakatingin, may nakadungaw.
Normally kasi we take a much longer time whenever we investigate a case. I am not happy or satisfied with what happened or what I caught. Because it just leaves me questioning even more. Because the more I want to go back and I want to do it again. Because I want to be sure. I want to eliminate all the probabilities and possibilities of nangyari doon.
Christ, God, Word made flesh, commands you. Give place to Christ, to whom you have found none of your works. Give place to the one, Holy Catholic and Apostolic Church. We beseech you, hear us, that you may cast down all enemies of the Church. We beseech you, hear us.
Protected na itong house. Kung yung mga nakatira ay sabi natin hindi sila nagli-live in harmony, nawawala yung prayer life, no? So ito yung magkakos sa kanila para mag-penetrate uli yung mga negative spirit na yun.
Halos lahat ng birthdays ng anak ko, ng namin, is happened here. Tsaka marami namang happy experiences dito. So, if you add that all up, it's not going to affect us yung spirits dito. Because parang it's still home. Home pa rin namin.